Welcome back to the next installment of our Dakis University series on the Website Editor tool. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn about using the Site Backup and Restore function in the editor. In the left-hand panel, at the very bottom is a gear icon. This opens the SEO and Settings panel. About halfway down this panel is a menu item called Site Backup. Let's click on this to open up the Backup panel. You'll notice at the very top of the panel a field labeled New Version Name with a Save button next to it. You can use this to manually back up the site. You'll also notice there is a list by date and time of the previous backup. Whenever you publish or republish your website, the editor will automatically create a version for you. We can click on the preview link next to a site version to view it before restoring. We can click Restore to go back to that version of the website. Make sure that you are confident this is the version you wish to restore, as it will replace the current one. You'll need to republish the site to make that version live online. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.